No, this isn't permanent. This is just for mocking up. Today we're going to tighten up this driven clutch.
Yep.
And then we're going to go test and tune until it's right. And then we're going to do wheelies and burnouts and jump shit and jump ship.
And I just got to shim out my clutch a little, and I think that's pretty much it on mine.
I'm having some high caffeine drinks, so it's going to be a high energy episode. Woo! Yeah!
I had a Red Bull before I got back, so.
Party time. Excellent. Mini bikes and stuff. Need to re-gear it like we talked about. Yep. Get a little higher RPM.
Yep.
I got onward to see if I can launch it a little bit and spun him. Go right into the grass.
Cop's sitting up there.
Yep. That thing was still falling when he went out. almost have him make a pass to the end of the field and back.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Was it just spinning a tire there?
I think that's basically just spinning the tire the whole time.
You should follow him and watch that clutch engagement. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Huh?
So fast. It's
Fast?
So fast.
Really fast?
That wasn't all of it.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, Lord. These are a little bigger of a jet, too. Feels like it was when we parked it, you know, feels all of it involved. But
I think it's lean. It looks rich. How about the choke? Is the choke on any? And she does have a little burble of black.
it's fast. So fast.
Sick.
It doesn't open too soon now.
No, when you took off, I watched it. It looked pretty good.
It looks like I was spinning like at least the length of the building.
Is it him or you?
Yeah, in the field, yeah. 27.
Oh yeah. I wonder how the brakes are.
What's that?
I wonder how his brakes are.
Here. Oh no, did I leave it at home?
Sorry, camera. The camera got all shaky there. I was trying to move my hand.
Is it looking spooky again?
No.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God. Seems like the clutch is doing the job. Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's no brakes now.
Probably not, no.
No, I can see it hanging down.
We could go put that snap ring back in. It looks like the guy just put that snap ring back in there, you know, snap ring, put her back in there.
It's like it moved more and it was ripped out. Like it pushed. Open in wrench. There was
Just spent how long? 2 hours screwing around with that?
yeah.
Now we're trying to get the brakes to work, and here, hold it, clamp it. Kind of, maybe.
We must have a bad seal, huh?
Must.
Well, it ain't even. It's. Let's see if let's test ride it. See if it still does it.
Push it again.
No, it's working.
Oh yeah, definitely now. Before, I could see like a bottom quarter of the pad not touching, and now it's at least grabbing.
We're gonna do a test ride and see if that worked.
Is it working?
What's that?
Did it work?
Yep. It locked up completely over here.
Yeah, I launched pretty hard. Huh?
I'll look like a grandpa.
What about echoes?
I'm gonna need the jet or something, huh? You a rider?
Yeah. And there it goes. It's so like effortless to get up to speed.
I think it needs something. Jetting or?
I feel like it behaves different in the. Oh lord. Yeah, it's pretty fast, huh?
Seems like he was giving her some. Oh, he lost his hat.
He told me, he said he was gonna look like our grandpa in there, and then he gets really close to us, going as fast as he can.
Yeah, fast.
It is really fast.
It doesn't feel that fast.
Maybe to you.
You're down some. Yeah.
What?
You think?
I was gonna say yours was that or it's that.
I was getting my weight back. I was spinning that whole time.
A little in there. That was pretty rusty.
I noticed with the big black, you can't just go to wide open, you gotta roll it on.
Yeah.
There's still that little bit of flattish spot.
Well, it's just the nature of the flat side carburetor anyway.
Is it?
It should run. There should be enough gas in there. I don't know.
I suppose I should record that.
All right, well, thanks for stopping by. Hope you had fun. We got some progress made and did a little more testing on it. So probably more fine tuning to come. Don't know how much we're gonna put out in content on that, but we'll see. Might not. Guess you'll have to come back find out. Or if you want more, tell us. Oh, what do you want? Yeah. Want more big block mini pipe? More 212 mini pipe? YZ125 mini pipe? Van content? LS motor content? Okay, alright, I'm rambling.
Yep.
There it is.
Yep. Yeah, on mine I figured out I gotta do a little more, I don't know, gearing, I suppose I can tell. I gotta do a little gearing, hopefully get my clutch open up all the way. I shimmed it, but it's not quite opening all the way, so I'll dive into that probably off camera. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Hey, if you haven't yet, hit that like, subscribe, share with your friends. Appreciate you guys tuning in every week. More content to follow.